I work for Tigers. That's the Institute of Greatly Endangered and Rare Species. And today, I'm lucky enough to be in South Africa at the Savannah Cheetah Foundation, hanging out with some of my favorite animals. Cheetah, known for its incredible speed, loved for its grace and beauty, and renowned for being a top predator, is now on the verge of extinction. This is due to hunting, habitat loss, and mismanagement of captive cheetahs based on the misconception that there are no viable breeding populations left. In the 1900s, cheetahs numbered 100,000. Today, their numbers have decreased to just 5,000 to 10,000 worldwide. They are found in 25 sub-Sahara African countries and Asia. The largest number of wild cheetahs can be found in Namibia, around 2,500, making it the cheetah capital of the world. Now, the last holdout for the Asian cheetah is in Iran, with only 200 wild cheetahs still surviving. The name cheetah comes from the Hindi word meaning spotted one, derived from the Sanskrit word chitraka, meaning speckled or spotted. Cheetahs are so unique in their markings that you can easily tell them apart from the other large-sized cats. Almost their entire bodies are covered in spots. Their tails end in 4 to 6 black rings. And the most distinctive mark of the cheetah is the black tear streak running from the inside corner of the eye down to the mouth on both sides. Although the cheetah's markings stayed the same, the color can vary. Some variations can be due to location, like that of the Sahara Desert cheetah. They are extremely pale, almost white with cinnamon spots. Others are rare, like the markings of a king cheetah, which is more modeled similar to a tabby. This led people to believe it was a different species altogether. Instead, it's a variation on the spot-forming gene, making the difference only skin deep. Now, some of the variations are no longer seen since the drastic decline in the cheetah population. These include the melanistic variation, which is black, full of color, recorded in Zambia and in Zimbabwe, 2 part albino cheetahs, which were recorded in South Africa, and even one that was said to have been white with bluish spots that was gifted to the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. The cheetah has a unique build. Their body is typically 30 or more inches tall at the shoulder, weigh 80 to 140 pounds, and have a body length that is 4 feet long with a 2.5 foot long tail. This build of having a leaner body, longer legs, and extremely long tail help make it the world's fastest land animal. In fact, they're called the greyhound of the cats. The cheetah is truly built for speed. Virtually every part of its body is adapted to help it run faster. From special pads and semi-retractable claws to large nostril, lungs, heart, and adrenal, with its aerodynamic build, long forearms, and lithe body, it can accelerate from 0 to 40 miles an hour in 3 strides and reaches its top speed of 71 miles an hour in just seconds. Cheetahs can maintain this speed for a short time, only 400 to 600 yards. Then they must stop or risk death from heat exhaustion. During this high-speed chase, the cheetah's respirations go from 60 to 150 breaths per minute to help cool the body down. When the chase is over, whether successful or not, the cheetah is completely exhausted and must rest. This mandatory rest time makes them vulnerable to other predators who will steal their prey and possibly attack them as well. The cheetah is a remarkable hunter. This carnivorous cat preys upon small mammals and mid-sized antelope and has been known to take down baby giraffe and young zebra. While most cats are primarily nocturnal hunters, the cheetah is diurnal, choosing to hunt at dawn and dusk. The cheetah hunts by sight instead of smell and can often be found standing on a tree limb or termite mound scanning its hunting ground. Although cheetahs have excellent eyesight, they have poor color vision and rely on movement to find prey. This means the cheetah's favorite menu item, the baby antelope, must lie still to survive. To be successful in their hunt, the cheetah must be within 200 to 225 feet of its chosen victim before it starts to chase, although 150 feet or less is best. 50% of all chases end in a kill for the cheetah. When killing its prey, the experienced cheetah moves away from the struggling animal's horns and hooves to avoid injury. Among mammals, the more social you are, the more complex catalog of vocals you have. Social behavior in cheetahs is not sophisticated enough to require an intricate language. Instead, cheetahs use some unique vocalizations including purrs, bleats, barks, growls, hisses, chirps, but no roar. In fact, if you can purr, you can't roar, and vice versa. That means the only 2 larger sized cats that have the ability to purr are North American mountain lions and cheetahs.